Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the dollar Swiss that is, has been continuing down ever since we ended this ABC correction several weeks ago. If you watched my videos from a few weeks ago, you know that I said that if that really is the end of a correction, then it will go down and take out the previous lows, which is still my analysis. Now it could end up being a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're in a wave 5 right now, but even if that's true, it still should take out the previous low. So I'm definitely still looking for shorts on sort of time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short now. But if I saw a 1, 2, 3 way pullback like that, or possibly a 1, 2, 3 way pullback like this, then I definitely would be looking for a short. So as of right now, for me, the strategy would be to either be looking for an exit for a short that I'm already in, or the strategy would be to be patiently waiting for another sorting opportunity at the end of another 3 way pullback. Otherwise, I'm not looking to go long, and I'm definitely not looking to go short right this minute at the bottom of an impulsive move. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching, and happy trading.